8 reasons why everyone should have a spider plant at home. Spider plants chlorophyllene are a popular choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. Their resilience, aesthetic appeal, and numerous benefits make them a must-have for any home. Here are 8 compelling reasons why everyone should consider adding a spider plant to their indoor garden. 1. Air purification. Natural air cleaners. Spider plants are renowned for their ability to purify the air. NASA's Clean Air study found that spider plants can effectively remove harmful toxins, such as formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene from the air. This makes them an excellent choice for improving indoor air quality and creating a healthier living environment. 2. Easy to care for. Low maintenance. One of the biggest advantages of spider plants is their low maintenance requirements. They are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of conditions. Whether you're a beginner or a busy individual, spider plants are forgiving and easy to care for. They require minimal watering and can tolerate both low and bright indirect light. 3. Pet-friendly. Safe for pets. Unlike many houseplants that can be toxic to pets, spider plants are non-toxic to cats and dogs. This makes them a safe and worrying-free option for pet owners who want to enjoy the benefits of indoor plants without compromising their furry friends' safety. For aesthetic appeal. Attractive foliage. Spider plants are visually appealing with their arching, variegated leaves that add a touch of greenery and elegance to any room. Their cascading foliage looks stunning in hanging baskets or placed on shelves, making them a versatile choice for interior decoration. 5. Propagation made easy. Simple propagation. Spider plants produce spider ants or plantlets, which are small offshoots that can be easily propagated. These baby plants can be potted separately to grow new spider plants, making them a cost-effective and fun way to expand your plant collection or share with friends and family. 6. Stress reduction. Mental health benefits. Having indoor plants like spider plants has been shown to reduce stress, boost mood, and improve overall mental well-being. The presence of greenery can create a calming atmosphere and provide a sense of tranquility, making your home a more pleasant and relaxing place to be. 7. Humidity regulation. Natural humidifiers. Spider plants can help regulate indoor humidity levels by releasing moisture into the air through a process called transpiration. This can be particularly beneficial in dry climates or during winter months when indoor air tends to be drier. Improved humidity levels can enhance respiratory health and skin hydration. 8. Versatility. Adaptable to various settings. Spider plants are incredibly versatile and can adapt to different settings within your home. They can thrive in bathrooms, kitchens, living rooms, and offices, making them suitable for almost any indoor space. Their adaptability allows you to enjoy their benefits in multiple areas of your home. Conclusion. With their air purify abilities, low maintenance needs, pet-friendly nature, and aesthetic appeal, spider plants offer a multitude of benefits that make them an excellent addition to any home. Their easy propagation, stress-reducing qualities, and ability to regulate humidity further enhance their value. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or just starting your indoor gardening journey, spider plants are a fantastic choice that will bring beauty and health benefits to your living space.